Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to today's recap. Today is June 10th. Took no trades today. So bias coming into the day. Was just bullish. Tapped this. I mean, this is like super high time frame where we tap this weekly fair value gap. That doesn't really count into my bias that much, to be honest. Tapped into this daily fair value gap. And then also on the lower time frames. Up until to this point, I wanted to see longs, because that's a 4-hour gap. And from there on, it could very well keep going lower. So before open, or before 10 a.m., I mean, we inverse this 1 hour, which also just strengthened my bias. Been respecting bullish PDRAs on the way up, like this 15-minute. And then right at 10 a.m., we tapped into this 15 minutes. That's why I wanted to go long right here. Tapped midnight as well. Left a nice wick. But I was honestly just too slow. Like I wanted to enter off of OTE of this rejection block. And then just go for these internal highs. But I was, yeah, as I said, I was just too slow. And then my second entry would have been this 10 a.m. with my stop. I think I had it a bit lower. About there, and then aiming for the internal highs again. Well, not really. Well, that's still internal, but like you get the point. That's what I was aiming for. But yeah, like basically this is already shit PA right here. Like this is already just chop, big wicks, no gaps. This is kind of how you can tell the market's in a good trading condition. If you see like no gaps being created, that's just bad PA. And this is like still before 10 a.m. and sometimes 10 a.m. kind of cleans up the PA, I'll call it, and just kind of makes it a bit more clean. So this wouldn't be a sign for me to not trade, especially because like a few minutes of chop doesn't really mean it's automatically bad PA. So that's why I still wanted to enter here. Would have still entered here, but then after all this shit, this is like pointless. There's like a gap every 20 minutes, and that gets inversed like 14 different times into different directions. Also, another thing is when you tap higher time frame PDRAs, there's a high chance that you're just going to chop around for a bit. That's just kind of how it goes. You're not always going to automatically get a big reaction out of it. Sometimes it chops around a bit till it actually decides to make a move. But yeah, pretty simple. DOL has been swept, has been tapped into. So I'm off the charts. Probably gonna try to get a winning day for my accounts, and then I'm off the charts.